Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enable PvP in Township Tale. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guide that explained how to enable PvP in Township Tale. As you can see guys, this guy answered, how do I enable PvP in my server? So this guy answered, settings set server is PvP enabled space true. Run this in the dashboard and make sure someone is online on the server while you do it. What's the exact command? Settings set server is PvP enabled space true. This guy also said, if you created your own server and want PvP damage to hurt more, you can use this link to help get console commands in Trello.com. There is this question from this guy. He said, is there PvP? I hardly ever heard anything about PvP. Like real PvP, not okay, we will have a play fight. Like PvP and you take their stuff just like other hardcore MMORPGs. Hoping this will replace Ultimate Online from back in the day. Sky answered, true PvP is not allowed on all list servers. US1, US2, EU and Australia. A PvP tail and a fair few other servers do have some serious PvP. One downside is player vs player, hits detection isn't fantastic and unfortunately not a focus of the dev team right now, as the focus is on generally building out the world and mechanics. That being said, definitely doesn't stop some people. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.